What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel and another video. Today we're going to be using the little 3D printed cups that I made. For those of you that have a 3D printer and want to make them yourself, the link to this cup and a couple of extra things are down in the description. And the colors we're using are a fluorescent orange, we have a fluorescent green, we have a sap green, and then a phthalo green. We have a little bit of titanium white just to add a little bit of contrast. And with that, we're just gonna get started. I just want to see what that looks like. It's kind of cool. Ooh, I knocked it. All right, so all these colors are mixed, 2 parts pouring medium to 1 part paint. The pouring medium was Artist Loft pouring medium. Oh yeah. I want to see some fine lines with the orange, hopefully. But how's everybody doing? We got all kinds of cool effects going throughout this thing. So I'm gonna take my really dark green because I have so much extra of this. I didn't want to use too much of this in the inside because a lot like black, it's gonna start taking over. But for paint, for just the colors to slide over, there'll just be that coat at the very bottom. All right, let's get this fella centered. That is such a cool middle. Really like that. All right, let's connect this. Have as little of a chance of rolling under as possible. All right, I think we're ready to spin it. Cool. Ooh. Seeing that big old bright band of fluorescent orange. That is really beautiful. Wow. It's really cool how that fluorescent orange and white almost created these cloudy looking little cells on the side. Really love all the tiny details that are throughout this thing.